Hello, welcome to Foundation Math Club. Today we are going to learn dividing by 9 using shortcut method. So for learning this, the first example that I'm going to take is 2213 divided by 9. First step, very easy. The first number that you encounter from the left will be written as it is. So I'm going to write down 2 as it is. Okay, the number what we write over here will be added to the next number. So in this case, 2 is added to 2 and we get the answer as 4. Now 4 will be added to 1. So 4 plus 1 is 5. Now 5 plus 3. So whatever is the sum that we get with adding with the last digit will be kept aside. So in this case 5 plus 3 is 8. I'm going to keep 8 aside. Now I'm going to try and divide 8 by 9. It's not possible without taking decimals because 8 is less than 9. So in this case 8 becomes our remainder because I cannot further divide it. So 8 is our remainder, whereas 245 becomes our quotient. That's quite simple. Let's try out one more 4-digit number example. Now let's take 2819 divided by 9. The first number that we encounter, that is 2. I will take it as it is. I'm writing down 2. Now 2 will be added to 8. Now we know 2 plus 8 is 10. So what are we going to do? I'm going to put 0 as it is, whereas this one will be carried forward to number on the left. Very important, number on the left. So I'm writing 0 as it is, whereas 1 will be carried forward just above 2. So what do we add to 1? Is it 0 or 10? It's going to be 10. Whatever was the previous sum, that's going to be added to the next number. So 10 plus 1 gives us 11, writing 1 and carrying forward 1 just above 0. Now 11 plus 9, now be careful, this is the sum which we get by adding the last digit. 11 plus 9 is 20, keeping 20 aside and trying to divide 20 by 9. So 9 times 2 is 18. On subtracting, we get the 2 as a remainder. So I cannot go on further, so our remainder is 2. So what is our quotient? And what about this 2? This 2 will be added as a carryover for 1. That is the last digit we get when we are doing the sum. So let's just add up. 2 plus 1 gives us 3. 1 plus 0 gives us 1. So 2 plus 1 gives us 3. So the quotient in this case is 313. Two very important things. The carryover goes to the number on the left, and whatever quotient we get becomes the carryover over here for the last digit. That is 1 in this case. So let's just try it out with a little bigger example. Let's just use a 5-digit number. So the number I'm going to take is this 55263 divided by 9. So the first number that we encounter will be written as it is, that is 5. Now 5 plus 5 we know is 10, writing 0, carry over to the number on the left, that is just above 5. Now 10 plus 2 is 12, writing 2, carry over 1 just above 0. 12 plus 6 is 18, writing 8, carry over 1 just above 2. Now 18 plus 3 is 21, which we keep aside because that's the number we get by adding with the last digit 3 over here. So let's try and divide 21 by 9. 9 times 2 is 18. On subtracting, we get the remainder as 3. So that becomes our remainder because we cannot subtract or divide further. So 2 will be carried over to 8, just above 8. Now let's add them up. 8 plus 2 gives us 10, putting 0, carry over 1 over here. Now 2 plus 1 gives us 4. And 0 plus 1 gives us 1. And 5 plus 1 gives us 6. So the quotient becomes 6,105. 40. Okay, so the quotient is 6140, whereas the remainder is 3. Let's just try out one more example. Let's just try out one more 5-digit. Now I'm going to take 67129 divided by 9. 6 I'm going to write as it is. So 6 plus 7 is 13. Writing 3, carry over just above 6. Now 13 plus 1 is 14, 4, and carry over 1 just above 3. Now it is 14 plus 2, which is 16, 6, carry over 1 just above 4. And then it is 6 plus 9, which is 25, and we keep that aside. So 25 divided by 9. 9 times 2 is 18. On subtracting, we get 7, which becomes a remainder since it's less than 9. So we cannot carry on further. So 7 is a remainder. What about this 2? This 2 goes as a carryover just above 6. Let's add our numbers. 6 plus 2 gives us 8. Then 4 plus 1 gives us 5. 3 plus 1 gives us 4. 6 plus 1 gives us 7. So the quotient in this case becomes 7458. So you see, it makes our division quite simple when it comes to big numbers. But all this requires practice. So practice a little, and this you will be able to do very quickly. That's all. Thank you.